Hello, my name is Tamara Green, and I'm here to discuss with you today a revolutionary new product that's being developed and delivered by TJG Web Services. The project is TJGXMLCMS. I'm going to refer to it as GMS. This GMS application is similar to a content management system, and there are many content management systems that are available on the market today. But what makes this one unique is that it has a lot of emerging methodologies that are being used to develop it. And because of its broad spectrum of capabilities, I plan to discuss some of those with you today. One of the greatest features of software development technologies today is automation. Automation allows for continuous delivery, continuous integration. It allows for continuous testing, and this principle of automation is one of the basic principles of the GMS platform. Now, GMS is a platform, but it's also a methodology in itself. It doesn't rely on a specific language. It's just a way of building a content management system that can be built in any language using a certain set of principles. And what is also advantageous about being able to port the system from one language to another is that it allows for cross-platform, cross-operating system operability. So the GMS platform is a way to use XML as a structure that can integrate an application and data management system from object-oriented programming language to script-oriented programming language. And on the data management side, it could be a SQL data management, NoSQL, Graph, tabular, any type of data management system can be integrated with these GMS tools. And on that same note, the XML is also the intermediary between the data management and reporting tools for the GMS platform. And there are examples of the GMS that's being currently developed in the programming languages of Java and Python, and we're working on developing C#-based management system that uses these same principles. With automation, the strategy behind automating the development is that it reduces the level of code that needs to be developed. And the XML as the intermediary provides a way to structure configurations so that whatever programming language it is, can be configured through the XML, and whatever data management tool or reporting system is, those are also configured through the XML. So if you are migrating from one platform to another, it's very simple to do because you can build your you could build the management system in the programming language, reconfigure your XML, and then use the same data management tools as your data source. And the idea of minimizing development is a common trend in software development where low-code and no-code platforms are being developed, where it's not so much a reliance on hand-coded, hard-coded software. Another feature of the GMS is that it leans on the lean methodology of software development. So the design and development utilizes the practices of lean development, and that has allowed us to rapidly develop new features and integrate them into the platform. The GMS platform also integrates certain fields of software and computer science that are emerging, such as machine learning and artificial intelligence. One application of the GMS platform is to provide a resource for open source management of artificial intelligence algorithms. And so the designers of the algorithms will be able to store their links to their code in the platform, and then have them reviewed by the open source community. The GMS platform also has the same resource available for machine learning algorithms, where data sets, test and training data sets for machine learning can be stored in the platform, and that's just one application. With the current development that we have ongoing with GMS, we wanted to be able to integrate it into a number of different data management systems, so it can integrate into structured data, unstructured, graph storage, can integrate into have be queried by different query languages, because in essence the queries are also part of the configuration. So when you have a configuration for your data source, included in the XML configuration is the actual queries for your data source. So once that data source changes from a SQL source to, for example, NoSQL or SparkQL, those queries are configured in the XML, which makes it extremely portable for different development environments. The other advantage of that is that when new data management systems are developed, those can be easily configured and restructured for the GMS platform. Now, one of the features that I appreciate from the development of this platform is the ability to integrate it with other platforms, other existing content management systems, other web applications, desktop applications, through the development of an API. The API development allows for rapid, extreme programming for integrating other content management systems, other data sources. Through the structure of the XML, by defining the structure, it's easy to either connect with the existing API or to build upon that API. And it makes the GMS platform easy to configure for whatever application may be called on to support. In the development of the GMS, they have, it's available on containers or virtual machines if you want to configure it for virtual environment. If you want to configure it on a Docker container, those configurations are available. II Data School has a Docker configuration for the for GMS, and it's also available to build on the TJGXMLCMS repository. So I invite you to check out the demo. The demo is available online. You can go check it out. There's a demo of GMS that's available at news.tjgwebservices.com, and there's also more information about how the design and the details behind the development strategy at tjgwebservices.com/TJGXMLCMS, and there's more information available at the website tjgwebservices.com. Thank you.